Military para pop. Okay guys, I'm going to take you to the journey, and this is the most exciting part because it's going to be my first biggest experience sa biggest withdrawal. Okay, di ba? Remember, I withdrawn 100 first time USDT and then 100. This time it's the biggest. So siguro mga 101, biggest na yan, di ba? Anyway, I'm taking you to my, right now I'm going to my DSJ account. This one, okay? This is my DSJ account. Diretso na ako dito sa asset, okay? Sa asset, I am going to withdraw. Yan. Oh. So, I have to go back. Nakalimutan ko yung asset ko. First, guys, my asset, total asset right now is 13,268. Okay. You might be wondering, actually, nagtataka din ako eh. Bakit ganun kalaki? Remember, I'm already on my level 2. I'm paid $150 every 10 days and I enjoyed 3 times already. Twice I enjoyed sa level 1 and I got paid $30 every dividends. Now, anong ikinatataka ko? Mabilis siya lumaki, but it is because I already garnered the third permanent signal. Guys, I really want you to know, totoo siya. Mabilis talaga siya lumaki. So, hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit naging 13,268.14 today ang asset ko. So, I only would like to withdraw the excess of 12,000, which is 1,268.14. I'm going to the withdrawal icon. Okay. And then, napakadali. Ilalagay ko lang dito is 268.14. Okay, so makikita nyo dito guys, nakabind na yung withdrawal address ko, naka TRC20, kaya wala na akong problema. Dumaan ako sa process with Elena. So you will withdraw, go to your DSJ account, go to your asset, and then you have to transfer funds coming from the trade. So from make that from exchange, go to trade kasi nandun yung pera mo, and then ita-transfer mo ngayon sa exchange mo. How much? That's going to be 1,268. Okay? Ito na lang muna ang ilalagay ko para may 0.14. Pero why not? Ilagay natin yung 0.14 para maiiwan talaga is 12,000 for the record. So dito na guys, from my trade account, I'm going to transfer to exchange kasi dito ko kukunin yung withdrawal ko, and then I will click now, okay, the confirm. Hola, and there you go. Hola Zamboanga. Pagbalik ko ngayon, nandito na siya ngayon sa exchange. Okay? Yan. There you go. And then, so, saradong-sarado, just as I planted it and wished it, magiging 12,000 na lang ngayon yung asset ko for my trading tonight. Okay, from here, I can now go to my withdrawal icon. And then, sa withdrawal, all I need to do is just click all. Yan. So, pag click all ko, I'm going to withdraw 1,268.14, and then my handling fee, which is 12%, is 152.17. And then, i-confirm ko lang guys. Just click confirm, as easy as 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Submitted successfully. Yan. Okay. And then, paano nyo nalaman na nakapending na siya ngayon? Ang gagawin nyo guys is click dito sa small icon on the upper right. Makikita nyo ngayon siya, it's under audit. Yan. Ganun guys, kadali mag-withdraw. And then I just have to wait. Okay, under audit siya. Nandito na 1,268.14. Normally they said the transfer funds happens within 4 hours to 24 hours. Yung withdraw kahapon ng kasama ko, my wife, it took her around 6 hours. Malay nyo ngayon, baka 30 minutes lang, pasok na kagad to sa GCash ko. So that's my journey guys. I hope you're going to be excited and it's really, really legit. Okay? Pero excited ako makita ngayon papasok yung malaking account na to.